very important din po before proceeding to clarify po on the remarks also of the Vice President that Congress is undertaking a fishing expedition relating to her impeachment. Hindi rin po ito totoo. Kasi a fishing expedition presupposes an absolute absence of documentation before proceeding with any impeachment. Hindi po ito totoo. No? So, sa totoo lang, even if we don't undertake subpoenas, the impeachment proceeding against the Vice President will in fact proceed. It is essentially complete. Kasi what do we have today? We have the COA reports on confidential funds. We have the video recording of the threat against the President, the First Lady, and the former House Speaker. We have copies of the SALN of the Vice President. We have the affidavit of Mr. Madriaga relating to his role as a bagman of the Vice President. So, ibig sabihin, ito po pinapasabpina ng mga House members ay bahagi lang po ng pagdadagdag ng mga dokumento.